Okay, this is a 3-card war for multiplying integers. From a regular deck of cards, we'll remove the jacks and the kings. The queens will stay in and they will represent 0. All of the red values for our purposes here will be positive and the black values will be negative. And take all the remaining cards, divide them equally amongst the players. You can deal them out or split them in half like that. And because this is a 3-card war, we're going to use 3 cards each round. So we'll go 2 on our place card there and 1 below. We'll turn over the 2 on our place card and multiply them together. So I have -5 times 0, which is 0.
And I have -8 times +10, which is -80.
Good, and we've been playing where the person furthest away from 0 wins. You could also play with the person closest to 0 winning, but we'll stay with furthest away from 0. So in this situation right now, my partner would be winning, but I have the choice of switching up my card here with one of the 2 cards I already have, and you have that choice as well. Did you want to trade your cards?
No.
That's probably a good call because they're really high. And I think even if I got a 10 over here, I still couldn't beat you, but we'll switch them over just to see what happens. And -5 times -7 is +35. So I lose, and my opponent gets all the cards. And we play again. Oh no. Okay. So I have 0 times -8, which is 0.
And I have -1 times -7, which is +7.
Okay, so right now my opponent is winning, but I'm going to trade my card for my queen to get rid of this 0. Are you going to stay or trade?
I think I want to trade.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. Ooh. So I have +9 times -8. 9 times 8. Well, 8 times 9 is very close to 8 times 10, which is 80. Take away one group of 8, which would be 72. So I have -72. How about you?
And I have +7 times a -7. So 7 times 7 is -49.
Yeah, okay. So I would win this round because I'm furthest away from 0. I'm just going to see if I have a couple 7s in here. I don't. That's too bad. Okay, we'll play the next hand here. My opponent, I think I won that one, so I would get all the cards. So I have -4 times +4, which becomes -16.
And I have +4 times +6, and that
Yeah, I think you said +4.
+1.
Yeah.
How did I get that? And that is +6.
Good. So right now I'm in a winning position, but if she changes out this card, she's going to have 6 times something. And there's a pretty good chance she's going to have a larger value than me. So I'm actually going to switch one of my 4s for this card here to see what happens. What are you going to do? Are you going to stay or switch?
I think I'll switch.
Yeah, good call. Ooh, so 4 times 8. -4 times +8. 8 and 8 is 16. Double that again, I get 32. So I'm going to have -32.
I have a +7 times a +6, which is +42.
Nice. So right now I'm losing. So I'm going to trade my card here for this 4, and hopefully I'm going to go up. Are you going to stay or trade?
I'll take a risk instead.
Okay, let's see what happens here. What? That's no fair. So I now have 32, my opponent has 42, and that would be a loss. In the event that there is a tie, we would leave these cards here and put 3 more cards face down. So if we had a tie, we would leave those cards. We would each put 3 cards face down, and then we put out 3 more, turn over 2 of them, multiply them together, and decide if we wanted to keep them or switch. Do the same thing as you normally do. When you run out of cards, in this pile here, you can turn over these guys and continue to play with these cards. Once you've run out of all of your cards, then you have lost the game.